Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for all your digital needs. Today, we're tackling something super important: how to change your recovery email on Gmail in 2025. With evolving security features, keeping your account protected is easier than ever, but let's make sure you're up to speed. Why bother? A recovery email acts as a safety net if you ever forget your password or face account issues, so updating it keeps everything secure and current. First things first, grab your device and open up your web browser. Head over to gmail.com and log in with your current Google account credentials. Once you're in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. That's your gateway to the Google account settings. Now, navigate to the Personal Info tab on the left sidebar. This is where all your account details are managed. Scroll down until you find the Contact Info section. Look for Recovery Email. That's the one we're focusing on. Click on it, and you'll see an option to edit. Enter your new email address carefully, making sure it's one you can access easily. Google might prompt you to verify this change, so keep an eye out for a verification code sent to your new email. Once you enter that code, your recovery email will be updated successfully. A quick tip: always double-check your new email for accuracy to avoid any headaches later. Also, remember that in 2025, Google has enhanced two-factor authentication, so consider enabling that for extra security. There you have it. Changing your recovery email is straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe online, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.